Hindi naman talaga masarap ang mga kape sa mga coffee shop sa Antipolo. You're just paying for the place and the view. Ito yung lagi kong naririnig sa mga friends ko. Pwes, kung gusto nyo ng legit na masarap na kapihan here in Antipolo, go to Kape mismo. Yes, mismo! Masarap talaga and this is my most favorite coffee shop here in Antipolo. I'm gonna tell you why. First, aesthetic ambience. Check! Ganda talaga ng very nostalgic earthstone interior nila. Second, art advocate. Check! They hosted art exhibits featuring local artists. Third, pet friendly. Check! I'm not sure who owns these pets but they're free to roam around inside the cafe. Fourth, work friendly. Check! Plus points talaga to sa akin dahil may wifi and sockets here. And of course, unique taste. Check! The star of it all. It's not just flavoring, pero ang sarap talaga ng kape nila dito. Nakakailang balik na ako and my fave here is this tiramisu latte. Well-balanced lang yung sweetness and strong taste ng coffee. I also ordered bacon and pancakes. And friends, all of it are well cooked. I love that yung pancake nila hindi dry and lasang harina. You can say na quality talaga. Nag-take out din ako ng Spanish latte na isa rin sa mga fave ko dito. So friends, with all of these reasons plus their good service, Kape mismo is really a must visit. Until our next Kape serye, o ano, aya na, tara, kape tayo!